Now you can now check your major airdrop. It's like claim reward. So if you come to your major, you just click on claim reward. It will actually show you the criteria for airdrop. Like I told the last video I did on major, I said the criteria for major will be star and turn transaction. A lot of people were arguing. I said the same rating. Now you can categorically say now what the criteria the major airdrop is now. You can see now it said below are what you have earned. As you can see the criteria: start transaction, inviting, task completion, achievements, participation in games, and so it's just a summary of everything that have been happening in the game. And if you look at what I have here now, it said 278. I actually did not do much transaction in major. I don't think I even spent $10. I don't think so. I doubt it. But here is what I got as my reward. So now there are options for you to actually claim. They said to exchange and um wallet in Telegram. The on-chain wallet as Tokenpaper is not available yet. And for you to actually claim to exchange, you have to click on exchange. So here are the exchange available. We have OKX, we have Bybit, we have Bitget, we have KuCoin, Gate.io, and MXC. Now for you to claim to any of these, you have to select the one you want to claim it to. So I'm going to be selecting Bybit because most people actually use Bybit and Bitget. So I will only focus on Bybit. So you are going to select Bybit and click on OK. He said, do you have a Bybit account? Yes, I have. And if you don't have, you click on create to create one. So I assume everyone has this. Then you go to your Bybit account and you copy your UID, the major deposit address, then your memo. So let's go to our Bybit and let's get started. So these are Bybit. The first one is UID. So you come here to copy your UID, you click. You are going to see your UID here. So you copy, then you go back to your major, then you paste it there. So then the next thing is major deposit address. So you come back here. So from here, we are going to select asset or you click on deposit. So let's click on deposit here to make it faster. So you click on deposit. So from deposit, you click on deposit crypto. So we search for major. So this is major here. So you're going to click. So you select on. So what you're interested in is address, then memo. So you click on copy the address and go back. So you paste it here. Then the next one is the memo. So you go back, you copy, then you paste. So when you are done, then you click on send. So if you are using a Bitget, all you need to do is to come here, copy your UID. You can see your UID here. So then you go and paste it in your major account. Then after copying it, you need to come here, then you click on add fund. When you click on add fund, you click on deposit crypto. You can see deposit crypto. So when you click on deposit crypto, you just search for major. So you can see major here, the first one. Ignore this. So the first one, you click on it. Then here, all you need to do is to copy your address. There is no memo here. You get that point. That's for Bitget. So you copy, then you go and then paste it for your Bitget. And for those of you using Gate.io, this is how to copy. So you come here. You can see this procedure is similar to all the exchange. You come here, then just click on the profile settings. Then from here, you copy your UID. So when you are done copying, just come to the home page. Then you click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, you click on on-chain deposit. So when you click on on-chain deposit, then you search for major. Major. So when you click on major, you see the one that appeared. So you click. So here you copy your address and your memo. Please make sure you do the right thing so that you can get the right, so that you don't lose your fund. You get that? So do well to subscribe to the channel, like a video, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel. Access to adequate information, correct information is very essential and vital in the crypto space. That is just what you need to know. So there are a lot of opportunity, there are a lot of money you're actually losing, you are not making because you're not getting the right information, or you're not getting the information on time. So check the link in the description of this video and make sure you find yourself in my Telegram challenge. More importantly, there are some projects that are not Telegram airdrop. So those projects are very valuable. Also link in the description and comment section of this video. See you at